Hey guys, it's Katie with Pete and Pedro, and I'm going to share with you some hairstyles that women love. Our first look is going to be the modern slick back. This one is a classic, it will never go out of style, and it's also one of my personal favorites. All you need to get this look is use our Pete and Pedro sea salt spray on damp hair, and then you are going to blow dry on low heat and finish up with applying our Pete and Pedro clay and hand style to finish. Next we have the Wavy Curtain. I like this one because it's a modern take on that classic 90s look. And once again, all you need is our sea salt spray, brush this through damp hair for even distribution, and blow dry. And then once you're done with that, you're gonna go in with our curl cream to get those S-shaped curls, and you're just gonna work that in your hair. Our third look is the Modern Quiff. I like this one because it's super versatile and it looks good on everybody. All you need is to apply the sea salt spray onto damp hair. You're gonna let it air dry, so you get kind of that natural messy look. And then you're gonna go in with our texture powder, and that's gonna give you a little bit more volume, and you're just gonna work this through your hair until you get your desired look. Our next look is the classic side part. Once again, this will never go out of style. And it's surprisingly low maintenance. All you really need is to apply our sea salt spray into damp hair, and then you're gonna section your hair on the desired side. And the sea salt spray is gonna help kind of shape it in the beginning, and then you're gonna go in with our putty, which is really gonna hold it in place all day. And last, but certainly not least, and my all-time favorite, curls. All you need to achieve this look is to work our curl cream evenly through damp hair. Then you're immediately gonna go in with a pomade to hold and lock that style. It's gonna give you that wet look, but also keep your hair curled all day. And that's all I got for you today. But if you're looking to try out any of these products that you saw in this video, or you're just trying to elevate your hair game, head over to peteandpedro.com.